Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. Okay. Happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Yeah, a lot of new apps, but then a few announcements as well that are pretty exciting in terms of how. So, if you've seen my email yesterday, AI on steroids, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit as to what that is. I'm going to give all of you a tip to further optimize AEO. Some of you may be aware about it. Some of you may not be. So let me share my screen first, and then I'll tell you what it is about. Okay. Give me a second. Here. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I thought I had this sorted, but apparently not. Okay, I'm in now. Sharing my screen. Here you go. Okay, I have 3 screens. This is 1, and then this is 2, and then this is 3. I've got 3 screens. Hey guys, Brisbane. I mean, that's a pretty odd timing for you to log in at. Okay, I'm gonna make your time worthwhile, guys. Worthwhile. Okay. Okay. So, can you guys see my screen? Okay, awesome, perfect. So, some of you may be aware about these apps already because I just pulled these from Deal, and I did not really launch these earlier for a specific reason, and I'll tell you what the reason is. So, the new apps that are launched are hero images. If you're aware about this, then you know what these images do. So hero images, for the people that are not aware about, I'm just gonna take very little time to talk about the apps that a lot of you are familiar with. So I'm not gonna talk more in detail about it. So hero images are the apps where you can go in and create images for your website. Just go in, toggle between photorealism and toggle it off. You can choose the emotion as well. What kind of emotion do you want? And when you put an image idea, if you don't know what kind of image do you really want, you can go over here, click on create image ideas, describe a little bit about the image that you want, and then it's going to give you 20 ideas, and then you can select one of those ideas and create images. You can decide what kind of ratio you want. You want portrait, you want square, you want landscape. Then there are advanced options here, but then just play around with all of these options and create images for your websites. Okay. Gonna go back and talk about other apps real quick. The ones that you're familiar with. No, it's not. It's not the enhanced version. It's the same app, Javed. Yes. Same goes for logo creator. So in the last calls you must have seen, I'm talking about creating logos through when you have to create a logo for your Facebook page or your Instagram or your LinkedIn. So if you don't like a logo that app generates, you can go to logo creator app and create a logo for yourself, for your business. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory what this app does. Same goes for hyper-realistic images. This one generates hyper-realistic images. So if you want to use some of these images on your website, you can use that too. AI videos, it creates videos based on either your website, but either you can put your website's link over here. I'll come on to Gerald. I'm going to go through the questions in a second, okay? So for AI videos, when you click on that, either you put the website, this app is going to go on the website that you've added. Now, when I say website, your website may have 20 pages, 50 pages. It's not going to go through all the pages and create a video. It's going to go through the link that you put here, okay? So either you can give a link of the website, or you can actually put the text that you want on the video, or you can make a custom video from scratch. And let's say you want this app to do most of the work, you put the link or the text, decide what kind of theme do you want. Based on this, it's gonna add the background music. Under advanced settings, you can upload logo of your business. You can choose the language, in which language should the video be created. What kind of images do you want? You can also listen to the audio that will play in the video and select which audio do you want to play. Again, music, you can decide what background music do you want. Captions, if you want some captions on the video or not, you can decide that as well. What kind of effect of the captions, how do you want those captions to appear? Where do you want the placement to be? So just play around with these, and you can actually create AI videos in like less than 8 minutes. Super easy tool. You can use these on your website. You can use this on your social media platforms. So if you go back to to the other apps that we talked about in the past, like Facebook or Instagram, AEO generator. So they tell you about the strategy where you can post reels, you can post videos, you can create videos from here. Okay. And then Vault is where all the content that you generate from these apps, images, logos, hyper-realistic images, videos, all of that is going to get saved in Vault, which means you don't really have to download everything to use it, okay? Unless you want to upload, and you can also upload your stuff in Vault as well, okay? Yes, pretty soon, Lizzie, there's going to be a training video for each and every app, and that you will see that training video link. Let's say if you go to Hero Images, you will see a video link right here, a tutorial right here. So you can actually go through the tutorial in depth. There will be a tutorial for the apps. Now, those tutorials are not going to be in depth because you can have a lot of permutations and computations. So we can't really go in and select all the options and deselect all the options and show you each and every result, but how to really use it, you will have videos pretty soon. Okay, I'm going to go through some questions before I talk about the rest of the stuff. Okay. Reina, yeah. I was kind of contemplating, should I use Batman or should I use Superman for the hero images? The business opportunities with our business. Gerald, I'm going to cover that part in the end. Can we give multiple links for other pages? Javed, I'm not really sure what you mean, multiple links for other pages. Does text equal script? Yes, it also enhances the script, the text a little bit, Patricia. Frank, you can upload MP4 files, but not really use them on website at this time. But I'm gonna cover that topic in a second. Just give me a second. Is it a training? Okay, training. I shared that I'm gonna add training videos for AI view app, just video app. Okay, text and total length of this. Yes, Patricia, you can try. It also enhances the script a little bit. This is great. Thank you. Apps are independent from use. There is no cost or fee to use these apps, Layla. You have access to the platform and you have access to all of these apps. I'm covering that part, the images AEO optimized part, Gabby. That's the tip that I was talking about. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Christian, yes, you will. Within this week itself, you will see a proposal generator in form of a PDF. So you'll be able to download that, and then you can edit it the way you want to edit it. When will the CRM be available here? Jessica, we are working on a revamped version of a CRM. Once that's available, you'll see CRM here. Stefan, yes, that will be available. The Done For You service will be available in a couple of weeks' time. Gerald, I'm going to cover that. Hold on to your question, please. When you create an image, maintain the image across across other apps. Derek, I'm not sure what your question is. If you create an image, how do you maintain the image across other apps? Not really sure. You create an image in Hero Images and you download it from there. Gabby, Google Optimizer is not SEO. It gives you the description of what you should add in your Google My Business profile. So if you go to the previous recordings in AEO Academy, I've talked about this there. Pledge and deal are separate, Donna, not the same thing. Of course, Thomas, you can. Will you implement the side menu rather than... No, John, will not be implementing the side menu because the reason behind that is because you also have an opportunity to white label this platform. And if I create a website view with the side options, it's going to get very complicated. Leila, you can sign up for the affiliate program, or if you want your friends or your colleagues as a user on your platform, then you can white label this entire thing and add them as users and have a recurring income. No, and deal.ai subscription does not include this. Derek, deal is mainly for marketing, and it's your admin toolbox, you can say, and pledge is what comes out of, like, it's an example of what you can build using deal.ai. So pledge is mainly focusing on giving you tools to build AEO optimized business. Okay, I think I've answered all the questions. I'm going to jump on to 2 more apps that I've launched, and I'm going to launch 1 more app on the call right now. And the reason why I did not launch it previously, I'll tell you the reason why. I'm going to launch it and I'm going to show you something. Okay, so 2 more apps that I've launched are YouTube AEO Optimizer, similar lines on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you got to put your business name, your channel name, your tagline, core services and everything, and it's going to give you a YouTube strategy, a YouTube banner, a YouTube picture, and a YouTube strategy. Let me show you something that I had already done. I'm going to share another screen. Give me a second. Okay, it should be here. YouTube, yes. Okay. Okay, so when you put your stuff in, you're going to get this kind of details. This is the name, the reason why I chose that name, a banner, just giving you an idea of how the banner should be. You can always create banner in Hero Images. Your about section, what your playlist strategy should be. You should create how-to videos, what kind of how-to videos you can create for that particular business that you entered. Customer stories, behind the scenes content. So if you humanize yourself, the more you humanize yourself, more people are able to relate with you. The more people are able to relate with you, the better your lifetime value of your customer is. Promotional video. So it gives you the entire strategy for your YouTube channel as well. Okay. So I'm not going to get into all the things because this business may not be applicable to most of you. This was for auto detailing, but when you put details for your own business, you will understand how this is relevant for your business. Okay. So YouTube. Now, one thing that I want to repeat, because it is important, we are not trying to just build a website. A lot of people are new on this call. We are trying to build infrastructure that is AEO optimized, so that wherever ChatGPT or other LLMs go and they look for your business, they see that the information is congruent. It's not confusing. It is in a language that these platforms understand, so that your business gets recommended more and more to the clients that are relevant to you. Okay. So hence, if you go back to the platform here, you will see apps that help you create your Google profile, LinkedIn profile, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These 2 apps are launched just yesterday, YouTube, and then Pinterest as well. So some businesses may not have, their product or services may not be applicable on Pinterest, but if they are, you can create the Pinterest profile. Now, what kind of inputs you get in Pinterest, I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so Pinterest. Okay, so you put your stuff in. Let me actually put the stuff in here. Username, sunrise, auto, category, car detailing, helping customers with car servicing with amazing experience. I'm just going to write whatever comes to my mind. Core services, car detailing, car servicing, target audience, car owners, unique selling point, fast service at low cost, location, let's say Austin, Texas. Keywords can be local, best car detailing in Austin, car servicing in Austin. Let's just use those. Website or links. I don't have a website, but let me actually change this a little bit. So sunrise auto detailing. Let's say that's the website. Tone friendly, output English. So it's generating the output for Pinterest profile now. And you'll see the results in a second. I'm just gonna take the questions in the meantime. Awesome, Justine. So just go and use that YouTube optimizer. Okay. Yes, Tara, I'm going to talk about the white label in the end. Gerald had a question. I'll cover that too. So is it smart to use the SEO Fax app or SCI from Deal.ai? What would you use? I didn't get your question. SEO Fax app? What's a Fax app? Oh, are you talking about FAQs? So depends, Thomas. If you are trying to optimize your website, I would recommend use Pledge FAQ generator. Liz, yes, you have two logins, one for deal, one for Pledge. Why some of the apps are logged? Liz, which ones are logged? Can you tell me? The YouTube app. Yes, YouTube is gonna help a lot, guys. Can we get the apps outside of pledge.ai? No, you can't really take these apps out. Debbie, can you tell me which ones? Suzanne, also, if you can tell me which ones are locked for you. The 10-page report list, it's probably the AEO proposal generator. So go and try using that app. Instagram revamp, it can definitely give you strategies on how to do that piece. Thanks, Suzanne. How much can we charge for this type of service? Tara, well, pricing is a completely different topic. I just want to focus on apps and the new things that we've launched. Yes, it does, Jessica. Same as deal.ai. Yes. So is this something that we can use to optimize AEO for our agency and clients offer services to them? You can use it for yourself. You can use it for your clients. Tejasvi, can you suggest a few talking points to explain the typical client? So Philip, how would you explain this to typical client is that you can tell them until now, people have been searching on Google, and to get your business recommended by Google on the first page or the first 5 results, you have to optimize your business for SEO, which is search engine optimization. But now people are moving away from Google and they're going to LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT, and to optimize your business on ChatGPT and other large language models, and so that these models suggest your business, you have to optimize your business for AEO. That's AI engine optimization or answer engine optimization, interchangeable terms. It's for Liz, Facebook optimizer is for pages. Alan, I'm seeing that I paid for your course and the address turned up. Alan, I'm not sure. You're saying that it's confusing, so I'm also confused what your question is. Can you reach out to support for that, please? It's support@deal.ai. Academy App Wizard, Donna, it's not part of Pledge. Pledge has AEO Academy. Oh, Academy App Wizard. Got it. So you have to be a white label subscriber to access these apps. So all the wizard apps are part of the white label. If you don't have white label, you don't have access to these. I added AEO on the new home page and they look like we're gonna go with one day. Awesome, Rosemary. Awesome. Perfect. So do you have some time today, Rosemary? Do you think you can come on the call if I bring you on to share your case study? Last week, I understand you were busy. John, YouTube app is not in deals. On your YouTube channel, Gerald, yes. For Etsy, Sandra, they have a completely different the way they create their profile. So you can, but it's not going to give you optimal results. I'll get you an Etsy app. Okay, great, Rosemary. Content AI app, Wizard Academy app, all still checking. Yeah, all those locked. Debbie, those are part of the white label. No, white label, deals white label cover deal stuff. Pledges white label is going to cover pledges stuff. Okay, Donna, that's why. So I teach at before 1:50. What time zone, Rosemary? Content optimizer. AI personalities, Suzanne, is a part of your white label. Content optimizer, I'll unlock it. By Instagram, I mean, can it You can try hero images and ultra hyper realistic AI images. You can create images from there. Where do I put my YouTube channel? Gerald, in the YouTube app, you will have option to put your channel's name here. Donna, okay, got it. Oh, I understand. Okay, how much you Liz, for white label is $27. Sandra, your Sendile, your website will start getting recommended by ChatGPT. Okay, Rosemary, perfect. So, do you want to join now? I have to launch one more app, which I will do on this call, and I will tell you why I didn't do it yesterday. But we have Rosemary here. Rosemary, do you mind if I bring you on right now? So what Rosemary want to talk about is that she's used the apps and she's already seeing the results. So was just thinking if we can have a real time case study on the call. Rosemary, can you hear me? You're still on the call? Yeah, you are. Okay, awesome. I'm promoting you, Rosemary, if you can, share your story. Hi, Rosemary. You can unmute yourself if you want to turn on your. You can turn on.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Sorry about that. Here we are. So my name's Rosemary. I'm here in Canada, Calgary, Alberta. And I've been using these guys' apps for the last 9 months, and I told myself I'm just going to see if it works. And it has been working wonderfully. And it's even been working more wonderfully since the AEO is added. And I'm really excited about this. And so I've added it to 2 websites here. I'm just going to launch the one here. So let me just share my screen. So this is the one website that I added the AEO to, and within the first week when I got together for my meeting with these guys, they said it's working already. They're on the top. They went to Reddit and it showed up right away. And this is what people are doing now. Instead of optimizing through Google, people are no longer trusting Google. They're going to places like Reddit, and the world is changing when it comes to SEO. And these guys are right on top of that. SEO really is not going to be working with all the automation anymore. People are looking for real-time answers. They trust people. They don't trust because of all the automation that's going on Google. And so they're going to places like Reddit and things like that for answers. And so when you put the AEO on and people ask questions in those platforms, these are where your answers are coming up. So we put it on this website and it came up like within a day on the top of the market. And when we went to Reddit, it pulled it up right away. But I also did use the apps from DLAI to make all these pages. I went in there and I put all my optimized website information. The benefit stack is right here. The FAQs for each page are right there. And I've done that to every single page on here. And there's over thousands and thousands of pages on this website. And this website has optimized itself by 33% of an increase because of it over a 9-month period. So the other day, I launched it to a new website, which is Wise Tech. Wise Tech Plumbing, just a minute. So in the Wise Tech Plumbing right here, I kind of scrapped their whole homepage and I put only the words from the AEO on there. and designed it into the website. So there's their core services, and this is exactly what the AEO told me to do. All the words exactly copied and pasted. I did keep some of the relevant stuff from the old design on here and things like that. So a lot of keywords are in here, and keeping the keyword optimization too. And then I put this all in here. In the meta descriptions, I use the information from the AEO, the top lines that you get in the AEO, and I put that in the meta descriptions. And within a day, he was calling us and saying that he got his first organic customer. So that's pretty exciting that you can do that. And I've only done it on his one homepage. I haven't got even as far as the rest of his pages. So I've got another 12 pages to optimize and put the AEO on. So I'm really excited to find out what's going to happen there. So that's what I have to share for you guys.
Thank you so much, Rosemary. That is so inspiring. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Awesome. So you used all the content that you generated from pledge.ai?
Yes, from pledge.ai on WiseTech. And then
Okay.
like the next day he goes, I got my first organic customer. And the organic customer was a house that had gotten I know this carbon monoxide poisoning was on the house, so he got called there, and
Uh-huh.
then they found his name. And then it was actually a feature on Global, so he got on Global describing how the carbon monoxide comes into the furnaces and everything. So now he got on that. He got a whole bunch of feed from the Global website because the Global contacted him to do a little snippet for the news review for the carbon monoxide poisoning in the house because it was big news. So he got a lot of awareness from that one little person.
Awesome.
Found him on number one. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now imagine you do the entire thing on the web, like you redo the entire website and you just have their social media profiles as well. It's
So
gonna get so much more
yeah,
powerful.
that's right. I work with a team. I have another group of people that do the social media for us, or for me. So I don't do anything with that, but I will tell them about introduce your apps to them and things like that. I'm only responsible for the websites. I can
Awesome.
only do so much. So I do the
Yeah.
website, and then I have a team doing the social media and the marketing part because
Right.
it's becoming too much for me. But I had a dream to make my own business, and these guys are making it happen for me. So I just wanted to share that with all of you.
Thank you so much, Rosemary. Thank you so much. Phil had a question. So he said, so you mentioned 33%. It got optimized by 33%, the cubic. So it's based on what metrics? Like what got optimized? Is it the speed or what?
No, from the Google Analytics metrics,
Google. Okay. Google, okay.
we get a score in our monthly reports. I make bi-monthly reports for that website, and it's gone up little snippets at a time as I develop the pages. They first called in at 72%, and now they're up at 96%. So
Thank
that's
you
a
so much, Rosemary.
pretty awesome increase. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Stefan, do you have a couple of minutes? Do you want to jump on and share your story, man? Stefan, you there? Let's check if Stefan is there. No, he's not. He's probably left the call. Anyway, I'll get hold of Stefan and we'll talk about his story. I don't know what he's done. It's first time for me to listen from him, so we'll see. It's working. Makes me so happy. So happy. Oh my God, how many hours put into this? Okay. The third app. Okay, well, I wanted to show you the Pinterest, by the way, the results from the Pinterest. Let me share that part. Okay. So I added all of these details. I got the entire thing, like what should you do on your board 1, board 2, board 3, board 4, 5, pin strategy, pin idea 1, pin idea 2. Now, if you see these outputs are very specific to that particular platform only. So you use all of these apps for different platforms and you generate content and create these profiles. You will be, I mean, if anyone is looking for what you have to offer and you've optimized the stuff, the chances of you getting found out, you getting found by the team, by ChatGPT is so much higher than anyone else. Okay. I'm gonna stop sharing for a second, and I'm gonna launch an app. You guys refresh your page and you'll see that app, and I'll tell you what that app is about, okay? Then I will take some questions. I will cover white label related questions in the end, guys. So I haven't forgotten that, so hold on. Let me launch this one app first. Give me a second. Okay, if you refresh your page now, let me share my screen as well. Okay. If you refresh your page, you will see one more app added, AEO Business Profiler. Now, what this app does, okay? So let's say you want to create your Facebook page, okay? Or for your client. You have to fill in all of these details. You have to fill in the tagline and mission statement, core services, target audience, unique selling points. And a lot of times people are not able to give you the right things, or they're not able to give you things in the right words. Now, this app that I've just launched, AEO Business Profiler, if you go here, all you gotta do is give 4 inputs only, okay? Name of the business, industry. So let me just do it. So let's say this is the business name. The industry is automotive services. Location, let's say Austin, Texas. Primary goal, the goal of this, using this app, is that I want to attract local car owners who are looking for quality car care. That's what I want. My output is in English. Hold on to a second. And this is not the climax. The results are not the climax. I'm going to show you something more powerful once the results are there, okay? So let it create the output first, and then we'll talk about the other stuff. Drum roll, exactly. Let me take some questions. Okay, so now you have these details. So you have your tagline, then you have your keywords, then you have your explanation of everything. So whatever you need in terms of your USP, you've got everything here. Now, if you scroll all the way down in this app, click on send to another app. Okay. I'm going to add the apps here because I just launched this. So that's the reason they're not available here. Now, let me just add it. Let me just stop sharing and let me just add it. This is going to be so cool. So cool. Yeah, wizard, two things. Okay. Okay. Save settings. Okay. Now, let me refresh this screen and share once again. Okay. Here we are. Okay, so now you've got these outputs. Now you click on send to Facebook AEO Optimizer. So if you see here, if you go to Facebook AEO Optimizer, you will have to fill in all of those details, right? So you have to fill in all of these details here. So, but if you just use this app, give just these 4 details, it creates all of these things, and you hit send to Facebook AEO Optimizer, it's going to take all of this information and fill the information in the relevant fields automatically without you going through the brain damage of figuring out the right words. We are in Facebook AEO Optimizer now. I did not touch my mouse while this was happening. It filled in the name of the business by itself. It filled in the category. It filled in the tagline. It filled in the core services. It filled in whatever you want. The only thing that it did not fill in was the contact information, because you have to provide your contact information by yourself. If there is any social proof, you provide that by yourself. It filled in the keywords by itself, filled in everything by itself, and all you got to do is hit generate results. That's what I wanted to drop on the call today. How's that going? Exactly. I was very excited. I was like, I'm gonna do this on the call. Please try it. You'll see the difference. How did I add another app? Darren, you go to your AI app wizard, and there's in the settings you can select that. Okay. Right. So what I just did was, I'll just repeat that very quickly. So I went to Business Profiler. I added just these 4 details about the business, and I clicked on generate results. These results were generated. And then I clicked here, send to Facebook AEO Optimizer. And then it sent the details to Facebook AEO Optimizer by itself. Chuck, this is available in deal as well now. Yes, we're not. You have to be a white label subscriber to create apps and do this. So yeah, now it's you gotta just go back and think about what apps you want to create, and how you can utilize this and all the good stuff. I'll cover the white label questions in a second, guys. Any questions? Any questions? Any comments? Anything? Tara, there is no other training. This entire call is gonna get uploaded in AEO Academy. So you can see this entire call again. Thank you, Mia. Thank you. Yes, Dave. In Pledges, a white label, you get all the apps that are there in Pledge. Okay. Now, another thing that I wanted to talk about was, let me just check here. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna repeat stuff, because I want to keep everything fresh. We're going too fast, and if I keep repeating things that I've already done in the past, we will never be able to cover the new stuff that we're launching, right? So in AEO Academy, I've already covered the LinkedIn app. Okay. Thanks, Jessica, for answering on my behalf. Okay. Okay. So you guys are helping as a community. Awesome. So white label I'm going to explain that in a very simple language. So whatever you see on the screen, when you white label, you can sell all of this under your own brand. Okay. That's what white labeling means. That's what white labeling means in the traditional ways, but because we've changed the game, you can, when you sign up for white label, you can create these kind of apps or other apps for your own platform as well on top of these apps. and then sell that in addition to whatever you're getting here. Yes, the history is retained. So if you go to the AEO Business Profiler, you will see result 1 here. If I do it for another business, you'll see another result here. Okay. You're welcome, Donna. You're welcome. So I have some of you on the call that they've either signed. Okay, I'm going to cover white label part in a second, guys. Okay, but I just want to talk about this because I don't want you to lose out on this opportunity. Everyone here with me, can we just stop commenting for a second and just listen to what I'm trying to say? You guys can connect with each other through community as well. So just hear me out for a second. Okay. Some of you have already done this. Some of you have not, but I just want to share this with you, with everybody who's on the call today, right now. So we've been having our white label, we've been having our boot camps every month. And there is a boot camp that's happening for Pledge in January as well, on 11th of January. A lot of you have already subscribed. So I'm not talking about the boot camp right now here. But what I'm trying to tell you is that in these boot camps, towards the end, we have an upsell wherein we talk about, we can do the entire stuff with you, like build your white label for you. Or if it's related to Pledge, it's going to be a completely different thing. But for Deal.ai, we build your white label for you, right? With you. It's your extension. So is Eve on the call right now by any chance? Let me check, because Eve, I'm working with Eve on some stuff. Okay, hey Eve, right. So Eve, is it okay if I share what we are doing together? Okay, awesome. So Eve, I'm going to simplify it so that everybody understands. So Eve has been in project management domain for 15, 20 years now. So she's got a lot of experience in project management. So now we realize that, like every other field, you study something, but whatever you've studied and whatever you have to study for certification, you study that thing and there is a certification. But then the ground reality when you actually get a job is very different. There are so many other things that are not covered in the certification. So what happens in those cases is that you either need a mentor or you need some help from somebody that can guide you how to maneuver your real life when you are at the job. Similarly, in project management as well, you can do your SAFe certification. SAFe is your Scaled Agile Framework certification, or you can do your Scrum Master certification, or you do other certifications, sprints, and one more that I'm skipping my mind right now. So you can do all of these certifications, but when you are on the job, things are different. They're not exactly the same. And that's the reason when you apply for a job, people don't ask only for your certifications. They also ask for your work experience. They ask you real life questions on how did you handle this? So we realized that there's an opportunity here, and I'm not sure if there's anybody else who's a project manager here on this call or not, but I doubt if somebody has this much of an experience as much as Eve has. So we're working on white label for Eve that is going to help these people who've done the certifications, but they don't know how to manage the hard reality. So it's going to have apps that are related to project management. It's going to have Academy where Eve is teaching. It's going to have an AI avatar of Eve that is going to help Eve. So I'm continuously working with Eve one-on-one to create this entire platform. And just because of this Black Friday and because of Cyber Monday deal, we are offering the same thing, the entire concept of strategizing and consulting one-on-one. There will be a private group with Alex. There will be a website that we will build that will be AEO optimized. We will also have a funnel for you once your product is ready, once your white label is ready, like whatever prompts you need to put in to create these powerful apps that give the results that actually your users find it useful. And a part of part of this roundtable mastermind group. So all of these things, like I'm not even remembering what are the other things out there. if you guys are interested, I can then tell you more about it. If not, I just don't want to waste your time. I can just jump onto the white label stuff. There's a Cyber Monday deal going on with whatever I just shared. We usually sell it for like $3,500. Today, it's $2,000. If you're interested, I can go more in depth about it. The website and a funnel and consulting and strategizing with you privately on WhatsApp group, creating your ads, setting up those ads on social media platforms, helping you build your white label, guiding you on how you build your academy, auditing everything that you want us to audit, discuss whatever ideas that you have and all of that stuff. Thanks, Eve. Thank you so much. So I'm not going to take a lot of time on this. Stefan, I don't know if you're eligible for a payment plan or not based on the link that I'm going to share with you. We don't offer payment plans as such. So if you click on that link, if you're eligible, then you can sign up for a payment plan, but we don't offer. It's any which way is hell of a deal. So we don't have any payment plans for that. So I'm going to quickly drop the link. I'm not going to take a lot of time on this part on this call. I want to respect your time, and I want to talk about white label if you have any questions. I want to tell you what my future plans are as well. So let me just drop this link because I saw Tara was interested. And if somebody else is interested, here's the link, guys, in the chat. You can just sign up there. And if you want to know more details, this is where you can sign up. Once you've signed up, send me a short, sweet email that here, darsh@deal.ai, that I've signed up so that I can get things set up for you. Right. Okay. Any questions? Yes, Thomas, it's going to be for all the apps shortly. I just launched it on the call right now, so I just wanted to give a demo. You're welcome. Lauren's question, should we stop doing SEO services and use only AEO services only? It's a tough one for me to answer if I have to be politically correct, but I'm just looking at where the world is going towards. Most of the people now, like every day, people are moving away from Google and are going to ChatGPT for searching. There is actually e-commerce happening on these platforms as well now. Your ChatGPT and Perplexity mainly. So you can actually go over there, and these platforms can help you shop whatever you want to shop in the best possible manner. So you go over there and you say, hey, I'm looking for a couch. I'm looking for a sofa for my living room. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions, and then you say, oh, and then it's based on the questions that you will answer. It's going to give you the direct link of that product that it will find for you. That you can buy from. So you don't have to search for any of the things. You can get the direct link of the product that you were looking for. So that's how crazy the world is getting. That's how customer-centric the world is getting. So having said that, I would optimize my website for AEO and not SEO. Faisal, can you send me an email, please? Sendai, you put this information in other apps to generate more content. Please use the ratio of people that have joined the community to people that have seen results. Peace, it's a fairly new concept. So we had, if you go through the recordings, we had Ed Garza, who's also on the call right now, sharing his case study. We've had Rosemary today on the call. Stefan is also there on the call. He's seen the results. If I'm not wrong, I think we had Nicole last week as well. I'm not sure if Nicole is on the call right now. Nicole started seeing results. So it's really early, but we already started seeing results, which is amazing. So, okay. Does the website builder for AE already work? Yeah, okay. I want to talk about the future plans and stuff, okay? This week, I will launch a new website builder, which will help you optimize your website even further. And the tip that I wanted to give you for that website builder was, whenever you're generating images from the image generator models that I just launched today, when you upload these images or you create your website and you add these images there. So when you download, you have to first download these images. When you download these images, give a name of these images that is AEO optimized as well. Don't just keep the name as download 1, download 2. Let's say if it's a restaurant and you're created an image of a pasta, and your restaurant's, one of the famous dishes from your restaurants is, let's say, white sauce pasta, penne pasta, let's say, name the image as, let's say if it's in Toronto, so you can say Toronto's most famous white sauce penne pasta. That's the name of the image. And then upload that image. Don't just put random words on the images. That's going to further help you optimize your website for AEO. I just had an idea. I'll give you guys one more app, actually. AEO. Okay. No, there's no video training as such. Lorraine, we're going to have a boot camp on 11th of January for 8 hours. So we're going to go in depth on everything AEO on 11th. If you've not signed up yet, you can sign up for the boot camp. Here is the link for boot camp. That's where you can sign up for the boot camp. Awesome, Gabby. So Black Friday deal got you access to all the platforms, Gabby. Sandal not at the moment, not for the e-commerce at the moment. Real-time example, you can create a new business and place your real business, track its effectiveness real-time as a proof of concept. These are real businesses, Gerald. Rosemary talked about the real business, which got the first organic customer in just 24 hours. Awesome, Tara. Welcome in. I'll get your email sent out shortly. Oh, Thomas, Netflix is just killing your time, man. I'm trying to make this journey as interesting as possible so that you guys succeed. See, you should understand that, this, because this is such a new field, such a new domain, and you guys are joining in so early. I want this group to be as successful as possible. You've joined not because, a lot of you have joined because you knew Deal.ai, but a lot of you have joined without even knowing what this entire thing is. So it's a big responsibility. And one thing that I always have lived by as a value is, undercommit and overdeliver. I'm sure you guys were not expecting to see these many apps today. So you're seeing these apps. I'm having more ideas on my mind. I just don't want to launch everything in one shot that overwhelms you. I'm launching things in a very strategic manner that everybody understands. The journey is not overwhelming. So I'm doing my best, right? So the only thing that I need from you is your participation. And if you need our help, if for done for you packages or anything, we're making sure that the prices are as low as possible, but we can't really do it for free. It takes our time and energy and effort as well. We need some of your skin in the game as well. That's the only reason we have, these price points wherein we want to understand that, yes, you're serious and you want to come in. Tara just came in. So that shows Tara's seriousness, and we're going to get in touch with Tara and do a lot of stuff together. Eve is there. Eve signed up for stuff. There are other people as well over here that have signed up for similar deals, right? So, Stefan, I'm going to take some questions now. 1 second. Thanks, Rick. Okay, I'm going to take some questions. Essentially, today's call is over. If you want to stay on, ask questions, you can. If you want to drop off, feel free to drop off. Just letting you know, guys, just for one day, something that we sell for $5,000. If you want to pay installments, it's a $5,000. That's what the usual price is in our deals. You pay $3,500 for that. That same thing is available for $2,000 just today. That's the link that I posted that Tara signed up for. So if you're interested, go for it. It's hell of a value, a lot of value. Let me just post both the links once again. One for the deal, the Cyber Monday deal, and one for the bootcamp. So that's for bootcamp. Second one is for bootcamp. First one is for the Cyber Monday deal. I'm gonna take some questions. Okay. Okay. Stefan, do we have to sign up as a user? Craig, yeah, I launched a new app on the call. I'm gonna be launching more apps this week. So what is the grand vision? Gerald, I'm sending you my calendar links. Send me an email, book a call with me. Let me talk to you. Okay, 1 second. Gerald, by the way, there's an orientation call as well taking place tomorrow, wherein I talk about stuff in detail there too. And that's for people that have just joined us, like freshers. Okay, but I am sending you my link in a second. Okay. There you go. Gerald, I just messaged you my link. Will the new website builder be for landing pages, or it can create complete websites? Greg, my subscription for pledge was refunded back to me. Corey, did you sign up for Black Friday deal? Corey, what's your email address? Can you put it in the chat, please, Corey? Let us start coughing out a lot. Brian, yes, go for it. Will you be publishing the other app so the profile app can see them? Yes, Chuck, I'll be adding more apps for the chain. Yes, the Black Friday deal includes your AEO bootcamp. When we white label to others, do you suggest setting up a new role? So yes, Ed. Or aid, how do I get that deal back, sir? Corey, I don't know what you're talking about exactly. Can you send me the email address, please? Your email address. Robert, also, if you've not received any confirmation for your bootcamp, send me your email address, please. Can I give AEO optimized for contents to clients as a consultant to begin with? For what? Yes, I would recommend hold on for some more time, learn more about this concept, and then of course you can go out and sell. Corey, okay. And awesome, Bukhari. Did I wait until you launch website builder to remember? Victor, yes, it's going to be this week, so hold on to building your website. Use the one that I'm going to launch this week. Bukhari, I've got your email address, but is there a question for me? Javed, Black Friday deal does not give you access to pledges white label. It only gives you access to deals white label. Robert, I've got your email address as well now. I'm gonna check. So Robert, get the confirmation for pledges bootcamp and was refunded the membership. Okay. Corey, Robert, I'm going to come back to you by the end of the day. Link for register. Gabby, you've not received you've signed up for the Black Friday deal and you've not received the information for Pledges Bootcamp. Is that what you're saying? If yes, put your email address in the chat, please. Suzanne, also put your email address if that's the case. Javed, thank you. Gabby, thank you. With the bootcamp 15, 16, I was not able to finish setting up a website store. How can I get? Lorraine, reach out to support, please. They'll send you a link for a call that happens every day at 3 p.m. Eastern, where we can help you out with whatever is pending. So just reach out to support, please. I think we're on. Yeah, Derek, okay. Bootcamp gone. Okay, Jessica, I'll get that checked too. Okay. You're welcome, Victor. Bootcamp confirmation, John. Okay, thank you. Bootcamp also got will you have an advanced accelerator following against women? Tom, can you send me your email address, please? I'll see what I can do. I'll take care of it. Okay, Bukhari, okay. Is there any email for the just made? Tara, yes, it's because it's a custom deal. You will receive the confirmation in a few hours and the details. The landing page we can see to sell AEO services with the website. Dave, yes, a website builder. You can use website builder for that. Corey, I understood what your question is. I've got your email address. I'll come back to you. Bootcamp confirmation, Liz. Okay, got you here. Okay, Debbie, got you here. Don, I've not seen email for the bootcamp yet either. Donna, do you mind putting your email address in the chat? Anyone who signed up for the bootcamp for pledge and have not received a confirmation email, put your email address in the chat. If you've signed up for the Black Friday deal and you've not received confirmation email for pledge bootcamp, put your email address in the chat. Tom, okay, got you. Okay, Tom. So for pledges. Okay. Tom made a note. So Bukhari, if you want to sign up for bootcamp or you've already signed up for Black Friday deal. Tom, I got your correct email address, the one without tomorrow. Donna, got you here. Yeah, Dylan, I can check that for you. Okay. Rick, put your email address, please. Dr. Keith, okay. We'll check that for you as well. Darren, gotcha. Okay. Rennie, thank you. I'll check. All right. Okay. Got you. Tara, I got you covered. Just wait for a couple of hours and you'll receive the email. Corey, I've got your email address. Mia, you've not received. Let me check. You should have, but anyway, I'll check. Set up a Black Friday deal. Okay. Linda, great. Yes, Donna. Okay, Tom, perfect. Dylan, thanks, Tara. Got you, Alan. Got you, Rick. I have your email address, Mia, but thank you. Stacy did not get it. 1 second. Okay. Sure, Bukhari, got you here. Suzanne, got you. Got you, Muhammad. Got you, Phil. Okay, Donna, got you as well. Sure, thanks, and no worries. Do I need to be a member of the Deal.Advertiser? Yeah, I mean, because that gives you access to a lot of done for you services, Darren, but it does not give you access to the platform. If you have Deal.ai membership, like if you're subscribed there, then yes, you certainly can end up using it. That's $69 a month. But yeah, for you to utilize the cyber deal, yes, you need to be a member of Deal.ai. Larry, got you here. Got you, Ed. Thanks, Danny. Thanks, Fawad. Thank you, Donna. Got you, Catherine. Okay. All right. Kim, got you covered. Thanks, Reina. Gabby, I got yours. Thank you, Javed. Thank you, Phil. Thanks, guys. Okay. What is that? Yeah, okay. Robert, got you here as well. All right. I think I covered everyone's. This is for the yes, Robert. This is for the boot camp in January, right? 11th of. Hey, Vanessa. Variable can play the difference. Vanessa, send me an email. Rennie, I got yours. Yes. Later, Liz. Thanks. Thanks, Tom. Interesting question. I just thought of, will app chaining work between pledge? No, it's not inter-platform. It's intra-platform. Debbie, no, give me until the end of the day, and I'll make sure you get the emails. All right. Thanks, Kirsty. Thank you, guys. I've got everybody's email addresses. Thank you so much for being on call. Try my level best to keep adding as much value as I can. Great to have you guys. See you next week.